beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden. It's a beautiful, beautiful night. Gail has gone elsewhere. The other day I had been looking through my comments and somebody had commented on a very, very old video of mine called Dreamcatcher, which was a ring pour that we wrecked on a black base coat. And it was really, really pretty. And it's actually one of my most viewed videos. So I went back and I watched it again and I thought that would be really, really cool to do this time with a split cup, because I have done it before, repeated it again in a layered cup, and it was very, very pretty both those times. I will link that one for you in the description box so you guys can go back and take a look. But we're going to try it tonight with my modular split cup and a few more colors. So this is a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have painted and taped and pinned the back and the sides and edges, and that's the 24 by 24. Then we have our split cup. This is the modular split cup from my dear friend Fiona. You can find it at Fluid Art Co. www.fluid-art.co. Fiona's modular split cup. My favorite one. It's awesome. I love it because you can configure it. Tonight it's configured for 6 chambers. So the other day we had it for 4. The time before that I had it for 3. It's a very, very versatile, useful tool. So first color we're using is Liquitex Metallics. This is their new metallics line. This is metallic blue. Such a pretty color. Really, really beautiful, shimmery, shows up great, and I'm hoping that it shows up really well against the black. This one is our Amsterdam Pearl Blue, that beautiful electric lightning looking blue that we get when it's on top of a darker color, which hopefully we will achieve. This one is Amsterdam Onyx Black, and this is also what color my Flow Extender base coat is. Very pretty stuff. Then we have here Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. This is a beautiful color. Okay, paint is fairly thick, leaving a mound on a mound before it sinks into itself. Okay, and then we have the Liquid Mirror from TriArt. Beautiful, very, very sparkly, white, platinum-y color. Very cool stuff. Liquid Mirror from TriArt. You can also find that at Fluid Art Co. And this one is the DecoArt 24 karat gold HOA's showgirl.
There she is.
She's a pretty lady. So we're going to layer this, and then we're going to do a little bit of a puddle to pour into, and then we're going to pour it out. So we're going to start with that beautiful metallic blue on one side. Okay. Now what do I want on the other side? I think I want the liquid mirror on the other side. Contrast, because this is going to be on a black base, so that's going to show up most. And also give us kind of a cool halo effect. Okay, let's see. Let's put the gold next to the liquid mirror. Okay, and we're going to put the green blue next to the gold. And we're going to put the black next to that. I do like using my base coat color in the pour. I feel like it gives you some added dimension and depth. And then we're going to put the pearl blue between the black and the metallic blue. Okay. I don't know why I was so worried about that. I was like stressing about how I wanted to layer the cup. But it is important how you layer your cup. In the last pour we did, in the Into the Wild one, I really didn't want to put the green that was in there on the other end of the cup because I knew it was going to be really prominent, and I actually didn't like it so much that I layered the cup again without the green, and then I liked it a lot more. So this is that same Onyx Black. We're going to pour ourselves a nice puddle right in the middle. Okay, let's tilt that up just a smidge. I have double strained everything so that hopefully we have no lumps and no bumps. Okay, we're going to do a ring pour right in the center. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Okay, here we go. We're going to stay nice and close, and we're going to do a ring pour. Come on, all you other colors. Let's get going. There we go.
I noticed uncharacteristically you didn't change.
I did not
direction.
switch directions. Very good observation. I was actually going to say something. The reason that I didn't is because I wanted to keep the integrity of the design, and I think it's going to be okay. All right, let's. I'm just going to put a little swirl in here. There we go. Let's put our flow extender around this. Corners and edges. All right, we're just going to tilt this beautiful baby out. Let's dance. Let's see. Let's start this way. I don't know if I'm loving it as just a plain ring pour. We might even pour it again. I think I do want to pour it again. I think we're going to change direction a little bit because I like that better. There seems to be a lot of the magic or the liquid mirror over there, which is okay. It's fine. But we have paint left. Why not make it the way that we want, right? You scoot over. Okay, we're going to do this again with the blue. Let's do that again. And go right there in the middle.
Okay.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Oh, we're getting more black this time. That's good. And I'm going to switch directions. Alright, cool. I like that better because we don't have such big sections of the liquid mirror and such big sections of everything else. So this is cool. Okay, let's dance. Yeah. Almost looks like a heart shape now. Weird. It's not behaving. It's not doing what I want. How dare you? Let's see. We might have to go back to the third time's a charm.
It's been a while.
Yeah, it has been.
Been a while since you poured twice.
But look at that top edge. That's really beautiful. With the liquid mirror and the blue-green. Yeah. I'm not happy. Last time. Because I could have paint left. I might switch up the order too. Okay, I do like that blue. And I like the pearl blue next to it. Let's put the gold next to the... no. Let's go with the... I had the black next to that. I think that's what I'm going to switch. I'm going to put this in there. And I'm going to put the gold where the green blue was. And I'm going to do a liquid mirror on this side. I think I want to put some more of the green blue on this edge, because I really like where they're blending that green blue and the liquid mirror. Okay. Maybe we should wander. What do you think? Should we do a wandering ring pour now? I skipped the black this time. Yeah, let's do a wandering ring pour. We're going to start over here. Are you ready, husband? Are you ready again?
Yes, 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 my love.
Here we go. Okay. Okay. That's pretty. Let's torch that real quick. Don't be afraid to pivot and to change directions and to change what you're doing if it's not working for you and you don't like it. So I actually like this a lot better. This is cool. I do like this, but okay. Let's anchor this over this corner first, since we are close to there. It's very springy now without the black in there, which is actually cool, because guess what? Now that we've had daylight savings time, it's getting dark after 7 p.m. which I'm very excited about. Wow, this is interesting how it's moving down there. What do you think of that? Like that? Cool. I do love this bottom part.
Yeah.
It's kind of floral now. Well, we could leave it like this, or I could pour another cup just right here. I think I kind of want to leave it alone. What do you think? What you vote for?
I love how watercolory it is.
Yeah, that's
Blendy.
there. It is very transparent. There's a lot of layers in there, which is very cool. I think I want to leave it like this. I don't really want to add any more paint over here because that's going to disrupt this and disrupt this part, which is all pretty cool. So we're going to torch it again. I really do love this part, and I like this part too. That part's actually kind of floral, but it's also giving me like sky, which is really pretty. I love the blue-green next to the liquid mirror. That's really cool, and I like that there's gold in there too, and I love that metallic blue. This part's still interesting, and I love this in here. These lines with the gold and the liquid mirror is really pretty. So, be interesting to see how this one dries. I'm happy with this. This is cool. So, I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. I hope you enjoyed this one and got inspired, or, you know, realize that not everybody's perfect, not everything is perfect, and you got to roll with the punches. Go with the flow, literally. We'll be right back with dried results. Okay, so this is the next day, but I do see a lot of the liquid mirror and the 24 karat gold, and we see that beautiful iridescent green blue and the metallic blue. I really do like this, and I think it's very cool, and I kind of love that feeling that spring is overtaking the darkness and things are going to be brighter and more sunny now. So welcome to spring. Thanks so much for being here with us today. We love you a lot, and we will see you real soon. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.